This week we received our shower fixture. We went with the brush. Damn, that's heavy. We went with the brush fixture. There's the valve. One of those dual heads. You have that, and then you have this handle. Oop. I can do this. Yeah, that was good. Need to finish painting. No paint on the wall. I started already by cutting a hole for the valve. This is my access panel. Originally had it set up here, and as you can see, the hole's down a little lower. My valve's down here, but my supply lines are up here. So I'm gonna have to take the 90-degree elbow support and fasten, and I'm gonna have to redo. Okay, I didn't videotape the installation, but there's the finished. Again, we're still painting. There's paint up there somewhere. I gotta find it. I didn't videotape it because it's very hard to work and get in here and see. But what I did was I put pegs throughout the whole house. Secured this valve to the fiberglass tub, and then expand the pipes, and then I put this here just as backing. I might still secure it. There's a hole here I could put a bolt in. Might still do that. Now, I'm leaving this open. We get a cabinet in here. It's going to cover that up, so should be no problem there. Okay, and then she decided no cabinet here, so I'm going to, well, this gets cut off anyway, but I'm going to remove this corner bead and build a wall. We decided we couldn't put a medicine cabinet in here because it wasn't centered enough. I didn't think that ahead. So we're not going to put the medicine cabinet in here. We're just going to put a mirror on there, and then put the medicine cabinet in this wall. So my next step is to cut this and build a wall. You know, until I saw this being used on TikTok to cut everything, I'm like, what? A bunch of situations call for it. Tear this out, put 2x4s, framer, nailers, one at the bottom, top, and then sheetrock this. And that's what I'm doing now. The reason I'm cutting it back here because there's a 2x4 underneath here, and that way the sheetrock will expand over. I might not even have to put 2x4 there. Put 2x4 there. It's less than 2 feet anyway. You don't think that's going to move? In actuality. Whoop. Okay, honestly, it's superficial this time. Just barely.